What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to change the oil on a Durango Hemi. It takes 7 quarts. I'm going with Mobile 1 5W30, and I'm going to use the Mobile 1 filter as well. Part number is M1-220A, and got a 13mm for the oil drain bolt, and I got my wrench here for the filter, although hopefully it's just on there fairly strong with the hand tight, but if not, wrench for backup. Alright guys, so in the Durango there's a hole like this, an access panel. It's actually already taken out. It looks like there would be a piece here, but there's not. There's a 13mm drain bolt, and the filter is here. It's got a little spout, so when you take this off, the oil will run down that spout and hopefully catch in your pan.